This truck hits 60 miles an hour, flies through the air like a stunt double, and still looks exactly like a real Ford Raptor R. Meet the most brutal RC truck Traxxas has ever built. This is the Traxxas Raptor R 4x4 Ultimate, the only pro-scale truck that combines real racing performance with the actual look of a Ford Raptor R. We're talking a Ford-licensed body, molded replica parts, and scale details so sharp you'll forget it's a toy. Here's the crazy part. This thing can fly off jumps and blast through the desert at 60+ miles an hour, and its tough clipless body doesn't budge. No ugly body clips ruining the clean lines. Instead, a hidden latching system holds everything tight, but pops open in seconds when you need to access the chassis. Form and function done right. Now let's talk power. This beast runs the Valenion 540 XL motor, the same motor found in the legendary Max monster truck. Paired with the VXL 4S speed control with built-in telemetry and on 4S LiPo power, this truck doesn't just move, it rockets past 60 miles an hour with acceleration that feels illegal. And it's not just fast, it's tough. Aluminum caster and steering blocks, aluminum axle carriers, GTR shocks, and extreme HD drive shafts built with extra material for a nearly indestructible driveline. Whatever terrain you throw at it, the Raptor R Ultimate throws it right back. Steering this monster is a high-performance metal gear servo with up to 486 ounce-ins of torque, fully waterproof, full ball bearing support. Rain, mud, sand, doesn't matter. This servo delivers smooth, precise control every single time. Picture this, full throttle, dust flying, that Raptor R body screaming across the desert at highway speeds. This isn't just an RC truck, it's an adrenaline machine that happens to look like a real Ford. If you want pro-level performance with real Raptor R style, this is the truck to own. Links below. Grab yours before it's gone. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.